Keith and Heath, we've been the best of friends since our mom and dad had identical twins. We stick by each other through thick and thin. We like eating sugar cereal and watching Beetleborgs, cause Keith and Heath are twins and the best of friends.
Alright, I got a turkey sub here for Keith.
That's me. Hey.
You guys are the best. Tell you what, this one's on the house. Yes! Love it!
I'm afraid the test results are in. Which one of you is Heath?
Why ruin a perfectly good day? Get out of here, you scamps! Looks like we got a Tom Collins for Keith.
That's me.
Oh, that's mine.
Whoa!
You said your name is Keith, right? That's my name too. That's I'm sorry. Did I say something wrong?
Table ready for Keith and Heath.
I believe that would be us.
No! You guys are the best of friends. I don't know what I did.
Thanks, sir. And then I said, I believe that would be us. Yeah. It's magical.
Happy anniversary. I just can't believe it's been 4 years since you guys got married.
Especially because these two seem like the real married couple.
You really are.
Believe me, I wish that Keith wanted to get married.
Caitlin, I know we've been dating for a long time, but I promise
Got some silverware for Keith.
That's me. I promise that when the time's right, we'll be together forever.
I'm so glad that you said that because the firm gave me the promotion and they're moving me and, well, I want you to come with me. Keith, we're going to Hawaii.
We are?
Yes!
Oh, wow, this is gonna be so cool. We can go surfing and eat
no,
nachos.
I don't think you understand.
What, they don't have nachos in Hawaii?
No, Heath, I was talking to Keith. Just Keith.
Wait, what? Oh, I see. Yeah. You guys get a feel for it first, and we'll join you later.
No, honey, I think you need to think about your family first.
Oh, yeah, you're right, I do. Baby?
Yeah, Heath?
I want a divorce. There, problem solved!
Jesus, no! Heath, just Keith and I are going. Just us. Forever.
Heath, I'm sorry, but I have to go with Caitlin.
What? But Keith, we're the best of friends and we're twins and I
Don't
can't...
make this any weirder than it has to be, Heath.
What? I'm just
No,
trying to...
not you. Let Keith make his own choice, Heath.
So are we good, or... My name's Heath. I'm all alone. I can't seem to fight this crippling misery.
Uh-oh, got a turkey sub here for Heath.
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, I see. You're dead to me, you hear? Dead! The dream is over. Test results are in. Which one of you is named?
Heath, how much do you know about brain cancer?
Tom Collins for Keith.
Hey. Is that yours?
What? No, I'm sorry. My name is... My name is Heath.
Is it your trick or not?
What do you say this is called, like, Beetlebots? Oh my god, it's so lame.
Lame? No, it's a dystopian portrayal.
Babe, could you get that?
Heath? What are you doing here?
Keith, you can't leave. I've been miserable without you.
I mean, don't you miss me at all? I do, but this is what I have to do now, Heath, and I... Don't call me Heath. I'm Keith and Heath. Because that's the only time I feel like myself. Well...
have been dating you for 9 years, Keith. 9 years! I have given you everything, but all you ever want to do is hang out with your codependent brother and watch Beetledorf.
They're called Beetleborgs. Keith, I think she was talking to me.
Shut up! Keith, as in the man I've been dating for 9 years.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I need you in my corner. I need a commitment, or you're never gonna see me again. So, what's it gonna be?
Keith? What are you gonna do? Something I should have done a long time ago.
I now pronounce you Keith and Heath!
That's me! Hey!
I'm so happy!
I love everything about this!
You know, this never would have happened if you hadn't sniffed so much glue when you were pregnant.
No, it happened because you gave them similar names.
Hey, don't listen to her, man. You're a great father. Thank you, Ronnie. You're welcome, Donnie.
You may now kiss the Keith. Oh, you boys.
What is going on?
The Bible doesn't say anything about this. It must be bad!
Oh, the professor warned us about this!
Donnie, what are we gonna do?
Hey, Motron!
Did I miss cutting the cake?
Ah, Tony 7, we meet again for the last time! I love winning!
Oh boy, that sure escalated quickly, right, guys? Oh, Christ, no!
Well, that's the story of Keith and Heath. We had some laughs, even made a memory or two. What's that? You want to know what happened to Keith and Heath? Well... don't. Because eventually everyone died.
Keith and Heath have been the best of friends since their mom and dad had identical twins. They stick by each other through thick and thin. They like eating sugar cereal and watching Beetleborgs, 'cause Keith and Heath are twins and the best of friends. Bow! Keith and Heath are just a couple of guys who like hanging out and cracking wise. And they'll be together till the end of time, fighting supersonic monsters on the moons of Randor, 'cause Keith and Heath are guys who love cracking wise. Bow!